the given expression of order of operation. So 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 minus 4 square. So many people solve this example wrong method. First will be 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 minus 4 square. So then we got solve 3 multiplied by 18 is equal. So here 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 54 and minus 4 square is 16. So 54 minus 16 is equal to how much? So 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 38 is a answer, but here goes to not correct answer is 38, this order of operation equation. So correct method will be solved. So you according to the board mass rule. Here given b means bracket, but here not given in example bracket. So then goes to order. Order means exponents, square root, etc, but here given square root. So 3 multiplied by 10 plus 8 minus 4, 4 square is equal to 16. Then goes to division, but here not given in example division. So then goes to multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30 plus 8 minus 16. Then goes to addition. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38 minus 16, and answer is 38 minus 16 is equal to how much? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So final answer is this order of operation equation 22. So right method is board mass rule. Given expression solve.